Good morning to all. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you some of the problems on ratios and proportions. So what is ratio? Ratio is nothing but a relationship between two variables. What is ratio? Ratio is a relationship between any two variables. In every exams, they will give the value of A and B and they will tell us to find the relationship between them. Like example, they'll give A value as 40 and B value as 20 and they will tell us to find the relationship between A and B, that is A is to B. We have to write it as 40 is to 20. When we simplify it, 10 fours are 10 twos are. Again we can simplify it as 2 twos are 2 ones are. So your final ratio is 2 is to 1. Even we can represent this in another way, that is like by fraction. That is A is to B also can be written as A by B. That is 40 by 20 is 2 by 1. This is also a correct method. Why I am showing all these problems means, before solving the problems on ratios, we need to know some basic things. So now when we multiply any one number on both the sides of the ratio, means it should be a same number. See, A is to B, that is we have got 2 is to 1. If I multiply this ratio by 2 on both sides, that is 2 into 2 is to 1 is to 2. So what you will get? 2 2s are 4 is to 2. Again if you simplify, 2 1s are 2 2s are. Again you are going to get the same answer. Even same as we go here, if we multiply by any number on both the sides, means up and down, means in division, like for example 2 by 1 is done. If I multiply by 2 and again I multiply by 2, again we'll get 4 is to 2. If we simplify, we are going to get 2 is to 1. Here whenever you multiply any number, means any same number on both sides of the ratio, the prime ratio will always remains the same. I think you understood. Means whenever you divide or multiply by the same number on both sides of the ratio, the prime ratio will always remains the same. It will not change. So next, moving on to some of the example. They have given A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3 and B is to C is equal to 3 is to 4. We have to find A is to B is to C. So what they have given? A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3 and B is to C is equal to 3 is to 4. We have to find A is to B is to C. Okay, just remember this arrow mark. Means to find A, I have to multiply A into B is to find B. To find B, I have to find B into B. To find C, I have to multiply B into C. That is arrow mark like this. Means invert N. Invert N. So A into B is what will get? 6 is to 9 is to 12. When we simplify, we are going to get 2 is to 3 is to 4. So this is the relationship between A is to B is to C. Let me take another example. Taking second example, that is they have given x is to y is 3 is to 4 and y is to z is equal to 8 is to 9. Find x is to z. So what they have given? X is to y is equal to 3 is to 4 y is to z is equal to 8 is to 9. They have told us to find x is to z. So same method you follow. So what is that method? It is invert n. So what you will going to get? 3 is to 8. So means you are going to get x is to y is to z relation, that is 3 into 8 is to 8 into 4 is to 4 into 9. Means to get x we are going to multiply x into y, for y y into y, and for z y into z. So 3 into 8 is 24 is to 32 is to 36. When we simplify, we are going to get 6 is to 8 is to 9. This is x is to y is to z. But what is the question they have asked? X is to z. So what is the x value here? 6, and z value 9. So x is to z is equal to 6 is to 9. Again we can simplify this. So the answer becomes 2 is to 3. So this is your final answer. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.